What is up, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks for joining CrypChronicles, where we talk tech, life, culture, and crypto on the regular. My name's Mark, and I'll be your host on this video today. Guys, we're going to do a really quick sponsored post, and we're going to show you a pretty cool app that I've recently been introduced to. But before we do, guys, if you appreciate the content given in this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and click post notifications so you never miss a video. Also, if you can click the like button if you particularly like this video, drop a comment below, let us know about this particular app, and if you think you'd like to download it yourself and use it on your phone. And last but not least, guys, we have a great Facebook group called Lemons to Lambos. We just recently changed the name from Crypto Chronicles because Facebook has been shutting down crypto-related groups. So we thought we'd pick a name that was pretty cool, funny, silly, you know, something that doesn't have anything to do with crypto, and is still a place where we can talk crypto, talk trade analysis, alerts, breaking news, ICO info, and much, much more. So feel free to join that. Leave my name in the question where it asks you who invited you to this group. My name's Mark. And without further ado, guys, let's jump into this app. It's a pretty cool app. It's called BitUniverse, and it auto-tracks crypto and many other things. It tracks your tokens, your investments, your ICOs. It tracks a whole lot of stuff, and it automatically tracks it, which means you don't have to go in and manually input all of your numbers, all of your trades. It does everything through API. It tracks the price of over 1,000 coins, including Bitcoin and other altcoins. You can also record your crypto portfolios in the exchanges automatically with the API keys. That's something I haven't necessarily seen in apps. App like Blockfolio that I've used before, which was a pain in the butt because I had to manually enter everything, and it was either I don't trade anymore or I delete the app off my phone and find something else to do. It was easier to write it down on a piece of paper or type it into a spreadsheet than it was to use that app. Tons of different exchanges are supported through this app, including Binance, Bittrex, Coinbase, GDAX, KuCoin, and a whole lot more. You can download it for the Google Play Store or the Apple iTunes App Store. Also, there's a APK kit which developers can use and kind of mess around with. On the website, it gives you a bunch of different views of the app itself. Some of the things that are coming in the future is the ability to let you import data directly from a wallet address, so you can manage all your crypto assets in BitUniverse. So if you have multiple wallets that you have set up, you can basically track your crypto from all the different wallets that you have. The user interface overall is pretty sleek. I like it a lot. There's not a lot of bells and whistles, although there is a lot of detail, and it's pretty fluid and pretty simple to navigate through. They do boast about being a lightning fast coin ticker. Other apps only manage to update every 15 to 16 seconds, and their prices update every 4 seconds. So it's constantly updating to stay up to date, especially in this volatile type of market where things are flash crashing and mooning within minutes. I mean, it's important to keep track of that stuff as close to the real time as possible. They're going to be coming out with a built-in wallet for you to keep all of your Ethereum and ERC20 tokens in as well. So that's something to look forward to. They do have a pretty active Twitter page with 1,774 followers, and they do update and tweet regularly. So that's definitely good to see. So you can always reach out to them on Twitter. I'm sure they'll get right back to you, as well as reach out to them through their contact page on their website. I'd say without a doubt, jump on the App Store, whichever phone you have, download the app, try it out, connect some APIs. It's fairly simple. They even have a tutorial on the app as well. Give it a test run. What's the worst that you could lose? Absolutely nothing, because it's a free app. Their services are free, and they're going to be developing it and coming out with some pretty cool features in the near future. Guys, that's it for this quick rundown of this incredible app that I think is going to improve your game overall. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and click post notifications and smash that like button, as it definitely helps us grow this channel. And also, guys, go ahead and join our Facebook group Lemons to Lambos, and we are starting to build our own Telegram channel, so I'll leave a link in the description. Jump on our Telegram for the latest updates, breaking news, trade signals, pretty much anything important I post on there, as well as Twitter. So thanks for joining us up until this point, guys. You have a great day. Stay awesome, and we'll see you all in the next video.